Hello everyone. This house that I'm about to show you is a 5-bedroom fully detached house situated in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. This house comes with a swimming pool, an office, a BQ, an open rooftop terrace, and a cinema. Guys, this house is complete for your living pleasure. It is coming with the governor's consent and a building approval. This house is presently on the market for 470 million naira asking. Without further ado, let me take you into the house so that you can decide if this is your next home or your next investment. Please stay with me. So I'm going to turn the camera around now so that you can see the environment. This is a 360 of the streets. There's construction work going on here, but it's almost done. So we're back to the house now. You can see the streets was interlocked, but because of this construction work going on, it will still be done again. But if you look further down, there's a little bit of interlock there, and then there's interlock here as well. But this place will be done as soon as construction work is completed, but that will be in a few months from now. So this is the green grass that was used to beautify the front of the house, then plants in there as well. So it's dying now, but I mean, whenever you come, this is just for you to see how it can look like. Whenever you come in as a homeowner, you can change it to whatever type of plants that you prefer to be in front of your house. You can see that the drainages are covered here. Look, the drainages are covered, and the drainages, so any sort of flooding will be eliminated. So see, the compound is elevated from the street. So the street is here, and that's the elevation right there. So let me take you now. So this compound, the gate, first of all, is a slide gate. So you just slide it in and it goes. So this kind of gate, you can automate it. So you have a remote when you're coming into your house. And it's not automated yet, but of course, it's something that can easily be done because of the way it's already been constructed. So this compound space can conveniently take 4 to 5 cars. Conveniently, 4 to 5 cars. Remember, I told you it's sitting on a 500 square meter parcel of land. So that is the carport that's already been kept for you to come in. You can see that it's a stamped floor, the lights all on the walls. So I'm taking you to see the back of the home that houses the swimming pool, and also this is the side of the house where the swimming pool is. So yeah, there's a staircase that climbs up to the swimming pool. So this is the staircase I'm climbing. There's a door that leads into the house. It can be permanently shut in case of safety for younger kids and all, but the choice is yours when you eventually come in here. So this is green grass beautification. So this is the little place you can have a little like pool party. You can also extend the green grass further down for your pool parties and all that. This is a good place, a small pool party for you and a few of your friends. So this is the machine for the swimming pool. So this is a lot of junk from building material junk from there. It can be taken out when there's a purchase, but yeah, I'm sure you can appreciate the space behind the house. So this is your GP. This is the GP tanker here, right here. So I'm taking you right. So I like the fact that everywhere has steps to climb in. So no issues at all. So here is the BQ. So you can see it from here. The BQ is quite big. The BQ is very big. It's locked now, but I'm just showing you from the window. That's the door right there where the bathroom and the toilet is right there. So this is still the side of the house. This is the powerhouse where your changeover switches, your prepaid meter will most likely come here as well. Then look at the cutouts down here. So this is the back door of the house, right? But we're not going to go in from there. We will go in from the front. Okay, so there's a little beautification here with stones and some kinds of plants. You can decide to expand it, but this is just an idea of what you can do here. So you can decide to expand it all the way down, but at the end of the day, it is primarily your choice. So you know how we do here. I'm going to show you from top to bottom of the house so that you can appreciate how this house looks. You can see that all on the streets is fully habited. So look from top to bottom of the house, top to bottom. So I'm going to be approaching the living room now to show you inside the house. Look at that. decor on there. When we, instead of just leaving it plain, it looks so cute and pretty. So this is the staircase that leads into the living room. Look at the lights on the wall. So this is the living room. This is the living room. The living room is very sizable. That's the console right there. This is the wood here. Then look at that chandelier over there. Then did I show you this light as you just approach into the living room? The door is glass and it's strong, really strong door. It can be converted to a smart door. So this is a wooden paneling that is just in front of the house. So it's just beautiful, just in front of the house, right? So this is the living area. Look at the toilet, guest toilets and all. So look at the lights from there. So this is the light, in the middle of the house, the chandelier lights, right? So I like the fact that there's a demarcation. So this area will definitely be the dining area. This area will be the dining area. That's the light, the chandelier lights on the dining area. Then this is a little space that you can just use to do something. I don't know what, but yeah, you can do something. So this is the door I showed you from outside that leads to the swimming pool. It can be locked up permanently because because of the space and because of safety for younger children. So this is the kitchen. The kitchen is well fitted. It's coming with your fridge, your double door fridge, which is very functional. That's the double door fridge. Then there's a lot of storage space everywhere. So this is the microwave and the oven. Then more storage space everywhere. This is the heat extractor and the gas. More storage space, much more. Then this is the double sink, then another sink in the middle on the console. This is the console which also has more storage space. Then this is the washing machine, right? Then more storage space here, everything very neatly done. Then this is the pantry. The pantry where you can keep your, of course, extra food stuff. You know what a pantry is. So these are the switches. So these are lights. That's the speaker up there. Then, like I said, the chandelier, more spotlights up there. It's quite a fairly modern kitchen, right? And it's really sizable. It's really sizable, right? So I will take you to the office now. There's actually no guest room on the ground floor. What we have here is an office space. So this is your office space. That's the AC plate and the speaker right there. So this is your office space, downstairs. So you easily come into your office, cordon yourself off of any activity, and also the guest room is actually a part of the rooms upstairs. So let me take you into the rooms. The first floor is actually a triplex in a 2-floor house. So there's the topmost. You can see that the staircase is motion censored, right? With the lights coming on as you walk up. So this is us coming into the family. This is the family lounge. Right, so this is the chandelier, there's speakers up there, there's spotlights, right? So this is where your console will stay in case you need to get a console done. That's where it will stay, right? So let me take you into the rooms right now. So this is your first room, which we can conveniently take a 6x4 bed. It's not so big, but it's not small as well. So this is the wardrobe space. Then let me take you to the toilet. Okay, so this is the shower cubicle, the sink, the mirror, the toilet, and flush and all, and the shower right there, right? So this is a 6x4 bed, like I said, but there's a lot of windows for ventilation. Then the AC plate, like I said, it's not so big, but it's equally just sizable. So let me take you to the second room. So this is the second room, pretty much the same thing, 6x4 bed. Not so big, not so small, just right. That's the wardrobe space there. The wardrobe right there. And this is the toilet, the mirror, the vanity and the sink, shower cubicle and the shower, right? So also a lot of windows for ventilation. Then the AC plates, then the lights up there, and the spotlights, right? So that's the second room on the first floor. So this is the third room on the first floor. So this is it. Pretty much, like I said, the same thing. Lights up there. So this is the design of the lights in the other room. We were not able to check it out there. So this is the wardrobe, a little bigger than it was in the other rooms. Then the shower cubicle, the toilet, the flush, the mirrors are all sensored. So you just touch it, it changes light. So look at it, so beautiful. Then the vanity here, the toilet, and the sink, and the tap, right? And the lights up there. Okay, pretty much the same size. So this is the third room here. So let me take you to the fourth room now. This is the fourth room, slightly bigger than this, bigger than these ones here. This is your cinema. This is your cinema here. Look at it. That's the cinema. Like I said, it's well cuted, well fitted. So you just come buy your furniture, your big screen, and all else. But you know, it's well fitted for a cinema. So this is your third room, your fourth room up here. That's the AC plate. That's the glass slide there. Then the windows here. And look at the wardrobe that is buried into the wall. Right, so let me take you into the toilet. Now this room is bigger than the other rooms. So this is the same, the flusher, the vanity, the mirror, and the shower cubicle, shower up there as well. So usually, the reason why you're not seeing a heater here is because there's a communal, a general heater just on top of the roof, you know, to heat your water and everything. So you don't need to buy heaters all over. So I'm taking you up to the last floor, up there, the last floor, right up there. So this is the last floor now. So I'm going to take you to the master bedroom where all the magic happens. So this is the master bedroom here. So you can see that it's really big. Let me turn on all the lights. Yes, so these are the lights here in the master bedroom. This is the walk-in closet. This is the island here, the walk-in closet. So as you come in, the lights come on. So it's motion censored as well. So here's everything. Here's the island in the middle. There's a lot of, you know, clothes space and all that. You don't have to worry about all of that. So this is the toilet. It has a glass door. So you just open the door, you know. So this is the bathtub and the toilet. So it's motion censored as well. So you just step in and lights come on. So this is the double sink. The toilet is right here. The shower cubicle is here and all that. I like the fact that these days they're thinking of, oh, what if two people want to get to shower at the same time? Or they're thinking, oh, what if today I don't feel like using the bath, I just want to shower from head to bottom, you know? They're thinking, and I'm here for it, I love it. So that's the AC playing there. The room is quite sizable, right? So this is the entirety of the room. So let me take you into this is an interesting rooftop terrace actually, because it's demarcated into two for some reason. So this is the entirety of the open rooftop terrace. So there's another one here. Another one here. So I feel like, I don't know, with supervision, the children can actually have this place to play. Look at those lights there. With supervision, right? So it's demarcated into two, you can see. So you just go in here and go. So this is the entirety of the rooftop terrace. You can actually organize a small get together up here. And I have an option. And I like the fact that it is different from the room, so nobody accesses your room. They just come straight and they enter and they come into the rooftop terrace. Look at this lovely wooden door that's leads to the rooftop terrace. So yeah, this is a tour of a 5-bedroom fully detached house situated in Ikota, Lekki, Lagos, Nigeria. So guys, if you have 470 million naira, even though we can still negotiate, and sit in the account and you think, oh, this is something you might like, so you might want to call me on the number on the caption on the video, and I will give you a seamless purchase experience. Thank you for always watching my videos, for always liking, for just being amazing on my channel as a new channel owner. Thank you so much. Till my next video, I love you.